इसीलिए तो शायर कहता है, मकाम कितना ऊंचा है इमाम ज़ादों का, मकाम कितना ऊंचा है इमाम ज़ादों का, भरम हुसैन ही रखे हैं गुलाम ज़ादों का। और लगाकर नारे हैदर हलाल ज़ादों ने जीना हराम कर दिया हराम ज़ादों का, लगाकर नारे हैदर हलाल ज़ादों ने जीना हराम कर दिया हराम ज़ादों का। अब फिर मैं आपके सामने इसी दारुल के एक तालिब इल्म को मैं आपके सामने पेश करूंगा इंग्लिश तकरीर के लिए, जिनसे मेरी मुराद कारी मोहम्मद सलीम अख्तर सादिसा है। वो आए और इंग्लिश में तकरीर फरमाए।
नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम, अम्मा बअद, फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। इन्नमा यख्शल्लाह मिन इबादिहिल उलमा, सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुहुन नबियुल अमीनुल करीम, व नहनु अला ज़ालिका लमिनश शाहिदीना वश्शाकिरीना वज़्ज़ाकिरीना वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। My dear audience and respectable teachers, especially my principal Hazrat Muhammad Abu Saleh Qadri Samsi Sahab and honorable spiritual guide, greatest superior and eminent manager of Al Jamiatul Akbariya, Luni Sharif, namely Hazrat Sayyid Muhammad Ali Akbar Shah Jilani. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My favorite presents, first all of, please you send holy durood to our holy and melodious Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina wa safina wa nabiyina maulana Muhammadin wa barik sallam salatu salamu alayhi ya Rasulullah. As-salatu salamu alayhi ya Habiballah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. My pleasing audience, today my topic is the education of Islamic women. After that you listen me with capture. Allah said in the Holy Quran, Innama yakshallaha min ibadihil ulma. Undoubtedly the ulama ikram are fearing to Allah, the Almighty, only from His worshippers. And my holy prophet said in the Hadith Sharif, An Anasin qala qala Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam, Talabul ilmi farizatun ala kulli muslimin. This is narrated by Hazrat Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, that my holy prophet said to demand the Islamic knowledge by is obligation and necessary for all the Muslim men and women. My dear, the face of education has been bright from these words of the Quran and Hadith Sharif. So we are doing prayer to the court of Allah, that very mercy of Allah be sent on the Mazar Sharif of Mahmudul Awliya Huzur Mahmud Shah Jilani rahmatullahi alayhi, because he put on the foundation of Al Jamiatul Akbariya Luni Sharif for the reading Islamic knowledge by Muslim students. My respectable spectators, you listen me with thought, because my wisdom plays Al Jamiatul Akbariya is famous country able. The education method of my Jamia praiseworthy, and all arrangement is tasteful and satisfactorily. And my honorable manager, Hazrat Sayyid Muhammad Ali Akbar Shah Jilani, is sincere and believing, and my respectable principal is obedient and capable. And especially my all teachers are confidence worthy and ability able. My love audience, please listen me with please listen carefully, because my because my religion Islam gives a message to all Muslim. If you want that your future be successful, you take admission for your children in any Islamic and Sunni Jamia, especially in Al Jamiatul Akbariya Luni Sharif, because my Jamia gives me education of Holy Quran and tradition education of Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. and we accurate the education of Islamic politeness, Islamic society, Islamic culture, Islamic civilization, knowledge of literature, moral science, theology, medical science, descriptive knowledge, explanational knowledge, and grammar of Arabic from Al-Jamiatul Akbariya. O my affection, able Muslim brothers, please listen me with attention. Islamic knowledge is life, Islamic education is manners, Islamic thinking is splendor of humanity. My lovable brothers and sisters, because I am beginning the topic, namely the education of Islamic women. It is necessary that Islamic women think this matter, that we and other women who are not Muslim and not agree to the order of Allah and our Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam would be some difference. It's some Islamic bashfulness remain. Moreover, all Islamic women who send holy durud to our Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam and who sacrifices her heart to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha and Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu ta'ala anha, inshallah, she will say that actually there would be difference between Muslim women and non-Muslim women. All women cannot be equal. It is example of Muslim women and non-Muslim women that a man is in the jail and other man is out of jail. Without fail, there will be difference between boss, deed and labor. Which man is free from the jail and self-conceited, rambling, eating, doffing, laughing, talking, he deserves alone capacity, and who surrounded in the jail. He passes his life like other. So a Muslim woman can seek knowledge by every angle in protection with careful, not being free from rules of Islam. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.